Hello world! Hello to all G12 visionaries out there. So, actually, mamayang konti, may check-up ako. That's why I take a bath early. Okay? So, I will share to you in today's video is all about how to build your confidence. So, last time, shinare ko sa inyo yung what really means to believe in yourself. So, ngayon naman, ibuboost natin yung confidence natin. So, yes, in life talaga, kailangan talaga ng mga confidence para mangyari yung mga gusto mong mangyari. Siyempre, yung success life. And if you don't have confidence, how can you do something na akala mo na hindi mo alam or hindi mo kaya, pero dahil lumakas yung confidence mo, nakakayanan mo. So, of course, sa business, kasama yon, sa relationship, kasama yon, and of course, sa leadership, kasama yon. So, we need to find out how to really build confidence, sa sarili natin so that we can make something great for the Lord. Yan. So, let's dive into our video. So, number one tips na pwedeng makapag-boost ng yung confidence that I can give you is you need to have a proof. Yan. So, proof, ito yung mga pwede mong i-post sa wall, just like I shared to you last time. The last video natin is to have a motivational and encouragement word na pwede mong araw-araw tingnan, and pwede mong sabihin sa sarili mo na I can do this, I can do all things through Christ who strengthen me. By the way, it's downloadable pa. It's a free PDF. Pwede mo siyang ipa-print, pwede mo siyang i-post sa wall mo, sa room, sa salamin, kung saan ka laging humaharap. Yan. So, proof. And one of also na pwede kong sabihin sa'yo yung mga napagtagumpayan mo na. So, example ko ngayon, malapit na, this is my month of birthing month, Baga, anytime pwede na ako manganak. I am 39 weeks na buntis. And binuboost ko yung confidence ko na kaya ko ito sa pangalawa kasi natapos ko naman yung una. Normal and it's all natural, Kung bigyan ko kayo ng background. Lying in lang ako ng anak for my first baby. So, doon, linakasan ko din yung loob ko. And now, linalakasan ko din yung loob ko kasi talagang iba yung pain ng panganganak. So, you need to boost your confidence that you can do it. Di ba? Ano yung mga proof na yon, yung mga na-overcome mo na. Yan. So, pwede rin yung, again, ulitin ko, yung mga word na makakapag-boost sa'yo, yung mga proof na sinasabi ni Lord sa'yo na kaya mo yan. So, again, ulitin ko, I have a free content for you, a free PDF na pwede mong ipaprint or pwede mong picturean. It's up to you. Pwede mong ilagay sa laptop, sa cellphone, It's a PDF that you can download in the description below. It's all for you because every time that I read those words, lumalakas yung confidence ko sa sarili ko. Okay, so that's number one boosting. You need to have a proof so that lalong lumakas yung confidence mo. Alright, so number two that I can give you tips to boost your confidence is number two, prove yourself wrong. Yan. So, you need to prove yourself wrong. Mali yung sinasabi mo. Yan. Mali yung iniisip mo para sa sarili mo. Yan. So, yun yung isa sa mga nakakapagpaboost din sa sarili ko na pag linilimitahan ko na yung sarili ko, gagawin ko talaga, aaralin ko, titingnan ko kung ano yung pwede kong magawa. Yan. Because I need to prove myself wrong na hindi ko to kaya, wala akong alam, hindi ako nag-aral, paano ako magkakaroon ng business, paano ako magkakaroon ng sales, paano ako magkakaroon ng mga disciple, di ba? So, I need to prove myself wrong. So, ano yung practice na gagawin natin? I need to go out to my comfort zone. Yan. So, ano ba yung araw-araw mong ginagawa? Alam mo, sa araw-araw mong ginagawa, gumawa ka ng isang improvement, kahit isang improvement lang. Like, you exercise at least 5 to 10 minutes. Dati hindi mo kaya. So, ayusin mo yung schedule mo, no? Talagang bigyan mo ng yung mindset mo na kailangan at least 5 to 10 minutes makapag-exercise ako. So, you need to get out to your comfort zone. So, try one thing that you're not capable of. Yan. So, ako ngayon, I've learned to do every day to learn from all the courses that I have. Inuulit ko at tinitingnan ko yung mga guru, yung mga expert, yung mga magaling na talaga sa business and also sa mga ginagawa natin sa church, no? Talagang inaano ko sa sarili ko that I need to go out to my comfort zone. Ayan. Kasi kung yung ritual lang yung ginagawa mo, just like araw-araw kung baka ay maligo, no? Yun lang yung araw na routine mo, wala talagang mangyayari. So you need to prove yourself wrong that you can do also. Alam mo yung mga nagiging successful o yung mga nagkakaroon ng confidence lalo sa sarili nila, araw-araw meron silang ina-upgrade dun sa mga ginagawa nila. So, again, ulitin ko, number 2 that can boost your confidence is to prove yourself wrong. Go out to your comfort zone so that you can do something great. Yan, for the Lord and for yourself. And for your family also. And for the ministry. Yan. So, I hope nakatulong yung number 2 ulit sa'yo. You need to prove yourself wrong. Kaya mo yan. Huwag mo sabihin sa sarili mo, hindi ko siguro kaya. Kaya mo. Yeah? You can do all things through Christ. Okay? So, that is number 2. Number 3 that I can give you to boost your confidence or to build your confidence is to owning where you are in your journey. Yan. Saan ka na ba sa journey mo ngayon? Ano ba yung kailangan mo pang matutunan? Kasi marami sa iba, hindi sila nagkaka-confidence kasi hindi sila, baga fake nila yung sarili nila. Na okay na ako dito, kaya ko naman yan, di ba? So, kailangan meron kang pag-own dun sa journey mo na, kailangan ko pa matutunan yan. Yan. Yung hunger ka, di ba? Hunger ka to improve. Kaya nga sabi nila, di ba? Ang pinakamalaking room sa buhay natin is the room of improvement. Di ba? So, we need to improve every day. So, kailangan natin na aminin sa sarili natin that I need to improve in a lot of ways sa mga bagay-bagay pa sa buhay ko. So, having a business, having a relationship, a discipleship, leadership, di ba? Makikita mo na kailangan mo pa talagang mag-improve. Kahit leader ka na, kahit may business ka na, you need to see yourself na I need to improve and also I need to own the journey that I have. Yan. So kailangan hindi ka maging fake sa sarili mo. And learn from all the mentor that you have. You have a mentor in your business, you have a mentor in leadership, you have a mentor in finances, you have a mentor, kunyari, yan, gumagawa ka ng YouTube channel, you have a mentor from the YouTube channel, and sa lahat ng bagay na gusto mong gawin. Yan. So, you need to own the journey. Kailangan inaamin mo sa sarili mo na, nga, I need to improve in this area. I need someone that I can learn from it. Yan. So, ulitin ko, you need to own where you are in your journey. And sabihin mo sa sarili mo, yeah, I'm in this journey. I need that. I need that. Yan. So, that is number 3 that can boost your confidence. Alright. So, number 4 na tayo. So, number 4, you need to have a mood booster. Yan. So, ano yung mga habit mo ngayon na ginagawa mo para ma-boost yung mood booster mo? So, marami talaga na nagsasabi na ang exercise ay mood boosters. Kasi nga, every time that you exercise, yung at least 10 to 15 minutes, no? Pinaka na dun sa mga busy people is 30 minutes na minumove nila lahat ng part ng kanilang katawan. So that, yung dugo mo tumaas hanggang ulo. So that, mag-produce ng good cells. Yan. So, mood booster yung exercise talaga. Good food, and also good food, ano yung mga kinakain mo. Na-realize ko to na malaking part pala talaga ng mga kinakain natin sa life natin so that we can have a good energy and good mood in our life. So, we need to check what we eat every day. And we need to have a discipline to ourselves. Ano pa? Kailangan talaga meron tayong mga habit ngayon. So, ako personally, ang pinaka-habit na nakakapagbigay sa akin ng good mood, mood booster, is a prayer. The prayer, syempre. Number 1 is a prayer and devotion. If I neglect o na-neglect ko o nakalimutan kong mag-devotion na yun, alam na alam ko, parang lantang-lanta ako, di ba? Kasi nga, yung word ni Lord, it's an inspiration, it's a direction where you will go, di ba? So, and of course, there's a word na i-remind sa'yo ang Holy Spirit kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. So, you need to make a habit that can boost your mood. Yan. So, just example pa, listening music, worship song, no? Worship song kasi talaga the best yun. Kasi talagang yung soul mo, di ba? Pag talagang busog na busog yung kaluluwa mo kay Lord, yung ang sarap-sarap sa feelings, di ba? Kasama na yung physical doon. So, if positive words yung mga pinakikinggan mo, positive songs and worship song for the Lord, di ba? Yung mga promises niya. So, di mas magiging maganda yung mood mo sa araw-araw. Meron kami ngayon pinapakinggan every time that we eat, no? Yung mga jazz and pinapatugtog sa mga 5-star hotel, yan. So, every time that we eat, lumalakas yung pagkain namin. Bakit? Kasi nga, mood booster yun eh. Pero, again, ulitin ko, sinecheck naman namin yung mga kinakain namin and we see to it, konti talaga. Especially the rice, no? Yun, so you need to check that. Ano yung mga habit na pwede mong gawin para ma-boost yung mood mo. That is number 4. So, number 5 that I can give you is be your number 1 fan. Be your own fan. But you need to be your own number 1 fan. Ikaw dapat yung unang-unang naniniwala sa sarili mo. Just like I do. Ginawa ko yung video last time. You can check it. The video that I made last time is what really means to believe in yourself. Yun nga, you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe ikaw yung naniniwalang unang-una sa sarili mo. Kasi nga sinabi na ni Lord sa'yo. So, how can you do that? You need to cheer yourself. No, isa sa mga practice na ginagawa ko is to face the mirror and then I will say to myself that you can do it. You can do it. Magkakaroon ka ng magandang business online. And then, matutulungan mo yung maraming tao. You can have your 12. You can have your 144. Yun yung mga sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. Yan. So, I will figure out. Matutulungan ko yung sarili ko. At, masasabi ko sa sarili ko na, kaya ko to kasi kasama ko si Lord. I am a child of God. Diba? So, you need to be the number 1 fan of yourself. Kasi nga, totoo yun, maraming mga tao, no, masyado nilang tinitingnan yung mga sinasabi ng iba. Hindi nila tinitingnan yung sinasabi ni Lord at yung kanilang paniniwala sa sarili. Actually, ang daming potential ni Lord na inilagay sa atin. Marami tayong mga potential na nakakalungkot yung marami na baon na lang sa ukay kasi nga hindi nagamit yung mga potential na yun. So, we need to see ourselves na kaya mo yan. Diba? So, isang practice yun na makakapag-boost ng confidence mo. Hindi naman sa yayabang ka, no? It's called all for the glory of the Lord. Kaya lang, ang kagandahan ng pagkakaroon ng ganon is nakikita mo yung sarili mo na pwede kang gamitin ni Lord. Magagamit ka ni Lord. So, ulitin ko, ang pinaka na-awaken sa akin talaga is my purpose. What I am doing my business is for my purpose. Bakit ko ginagawa lahat ng ito? Bakit ko inaayos yung sarili ko? Because for the Lord, for my purpose. For my purpose. Yan. Okay, so again, I have a free downloadable PDF for you para magkaroon ka ng inspiration, motivational, and encouragement sa sarili mo. You can download that. Pa-print mo, pwede mong i-post sa wall mo. O kaya, pwede mong i-copy sa notebook mo. Yan. So, cellphone mo, pwede rin. Picturean mo. Gawin mong profile picture. Diba? Ganun. So, it's all for you. It's free. And ako talaga, yun yung mga tips na pwede ko sabihin sa inyo kasi yun nakatulong sa akin. So, again, ulitin ko, this is for you and we need to boost our confidence. We need to build our confidence because we are with the Lord. We can do all these things because we can figure out because we know that God will use us more. So, if you are new into my YouTube channel, this is all about online business. And sa online business na to, I want you to know that gusto ko talaga na magkaroon tayo ng mas maraming time and commitment and also income para magkaroon tayo ng mas magandang yung magawa natin yung pinaka-purpose natin sa life natin is to do the vision, to helping other people. That's why I have a program, which is Purpose Accelerator Program, that you can join and you can message me. I want to help you to build your own business online. Kung from zero to scratch ka pa lang talaga, I can help you. And if you want to know more about this kind of business na talagang by 2026, no, massive growth talaga siya. That's why you need to start now so that talagang may mangyari, no? At talagang matulungan kita to build your income and also be your own boss. And you have a free more time to your purpose and of course to your family. So I hope nakatulong ito sa iyo sa video na to, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell because every time I will upload a new video for you para matulungan pa kita lalo. Okay, so see you in another video. Bye. God bless.